How to disable Instagram likes. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to disable Instagram likes. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Next, find the post which you'd like to disable likes on, then tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the post, and then tap on the option that says hide like count. So as you can see, that like count has now been hidden on this post. To enable them again, just tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the post, and then tap on unhide like count. And then the like count has now been unhidden. And that's what it takes to disable Instagram likes. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.